Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you're new to the page, join the family by hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell. If you've been rolling with me for a while, continue to hit the like button. I'm going to talk about crypto very briefly today because it is continually running up. And before I start, remember, because I'm talking about crypto, you're going to see a lot of spam in the comment section. We're going to work hard to keep it clean. But I don't have a WhatsApp, Telegram, none of that. Broker, never send crypto or money to anyone. And I don't DM on any social media platform, even if they say it's me. We want to keep you guys protected, right? So what we want to talk about is crypto. And we want to view out. Remember, I've been constantly saying we're in the accumulation stage. What does that mean? It's the stage to accumulate. So for the general public, you should be accumulating because no one can guess the bottom. Me personally, I have not started to DCA back again because remember, I want to be crystal clear. I'm not trying to catch the bottom, but I will start if it has another leg down. That's when I will personally start. So we're in the accumulation stage. And I would not have FOMO, though it keeps hitting higher and higher. But I want to show you some caution here, and I want you guys to see this. Right. So if we look at this chart right here, let's look at this. Let's read this. This talks about the Wyckoff accumulation, right? It's suggesting that the low was at 15,476, and it's suggesting support at 18,000, right? And now the move towards 22.5, breaking resistance is what it's suggesting, right? But if we look right here, I have it pulled up, we could see Bitcoin at 23.2, right? And so this is a rough, this is not a 100%, this is going to happen. These phases change over time, right? So let's take a look back at the Wyckoff, what they suggest. Here we are in the accumulation stage. And as you could see, it broke resistance. And now they're suggesting it could continue to go up. If you believe that crypto has bottomed out, you leave me a comment, right? That's one of the comments I want. Now, here's another comment and something I want you guys to see. About 3 weeks ago, I talked about Riot and Mara, which are crypto mining companies. And the other one I was trying to think of was Hive. And I said that by the end of the year, it will be a minimum of double of where it is now. And I said that about 3 weeks ago. If you remember that comment, leave me a comment, right? So let's take a look at where Mara and Riot is right now. As we could see here, let me blow this up so you guys could see it even more. This is very important, right? So here we see Hive. Let's bring that up a little bit. We see Hive, Riot, and Mara, right? And sorry, let me bring it down a hair. There we go. So you guys see it right there, right? So we see that they're all up really nicely for the day. But for the 5-day, Hive was down 10%. 10%. But look at the month. Look at that. Mara, let me blow that up. I want you guys to see that. And sometimes you just have to get in and DCA, right? So as you can see here, let me go to the month. And look at that, good people. Look at that. Mara is up 121%. Riot is up 61%. And Hive is up 77%. So even if you would have bought when I talked about it, you would be up. And really, this has all happened. This has all happened around the beginning of the year. Look at that. So I was right on point. I was right on par when I said it. Okay. But I did not know that it would be up 100% this quick because remember, I'm personally not trying to guess the bottom. And so I want you guys, when I'm finished with this, I want everyone to go to Keenan Grace's page. And I want you to, this is Keenan Grace. He's another influencer that we do lives together. This is my little bro right here. I want you to watch this video. It says, the crypto market is on fire. And then it says, buy now or what, or wait, right? So we're missing an E here. All right, so listen, that's what I want you guys to watch after this, because he talks about how these markets are manipulated, and he does a great job at it. And he talks about how companies buy and they dump and they run up, right? So they'll say, hey, it's going, crypto's running, crypto's running, crypto's running, and we can go up, but we can fall back down. So he cautions you that way. One of the things I want you to also look at is this, and I brought this up before. Let me see if I could get this to play, and I want you guys to listen to this. Let's see. This is Jamie Dimon, okay?
It's totally beyond me.
Because you just think the whole thing just is
going to zero?
Going to zero and it's fake?
Bitcoin itself is a hyped up fraud. It's a pet rocket.
You're back to that?
Yeah,
really?
Of course, yeah.
So what do you make then of BlackRock and other firms that are investing in infrastructure?
No, that's different. Blockchain is a technology ledger system that we use to move.
Crypto conversation with you. I'm just curious because I don't think we've talked to you since.
I think all that's been a waste of time, and why you guys waste any breath on it is totally beyond me.
Because you just think the whole thing just is
going to zero?
Going to zero and it's fake?
Bitcoin itself is a hyped up fraud. It's a pet rocket.
You're back to that?
Yeah,
really?
Of course, yeah.
So what do you make then of BlackRock and other firms that are investing in infrastructure?
No, that's different. Blockchain is a technology ledger system that we use to move information. We've used it to do overnight repo, intraday repo. We've used it to move money.
Right.
So that is a ledger. That's a technology ledger type of thing that we think will be deployable.
Remember, we've
been talking about that for 12 years too, and very little's been done.
There's some tokens that I agree with you on, but Bitcoin's based on a distributed ledger.
Yeah,
it has all the characteristics of.
So you guys heard that, right? Jamie Dimon is the CEO. He believes that it is a scam. He's pretty much said it. But then when you look at it here, remember, Jamie Dimon is the CEO of JP Morgan, right? So JP Morgan Chase crypto wallet trademark is approved. Now, this was November 21 of 2022, right? Not too long ago. And so we have to be careful of the manipulation and the FUD that's going on. And I am going to try to put together like a crypto summit. I'm calling it a summit. I invited a few people. We're going to talk about blockchain. We're going to talk about crypto and where it is, okay? I'm trying to have that ready for you guys by Tuesday, especially for people that don't know anything about crypto. So I talked about it with Stocks with Josh, and I have two other people that's going to come on, and we're going to try to educate as much as possible about crypto. Now, the question is have we missed the bottom? Have we missed the bottom? That's the question that everybody wants answered. Have we missed the bottom? Let's look at this, right? And as you guys know, no one can guess the bottom. No one can guess the bottom. You have to make a call and you have to roll with the decisions that you make, right? My personal decision is I'm going to continue to do what has worked well for me in the past. And for those of you that's been following me for the last 2 years, you know my strategy. When crypto falls 30%, that's when I buy. So me personally, and I told the family, I call you guys the family, that I will let you know when I get back in. And I'm just telling you, me personally, I'm not back in. And what I'm suggesting to you guys is this is not one size fits all. What I'm doing is very risky for those that's trying to find the bottom. Okay? It's impossible. You're never going to find it. It's been impossible since 1792 in the stock market, and it's even more impossible for crypto. It's just not. if everybody is guessing. So you have to make an educated guess. So what I'm doing is I'm waiting on the next pullback because I understand we're in an accumulation stage. Now, if you're trying to swing crypto, it's important. But if you're just trying to invest in crypto long term, and I want to be crystal clear, my new short term, long term is I want to accumulate during the accumulation stage. I want to get some crypto and I'm going to run it up, and then I'm going to try to take profits before the blow off top this time. That wasn't my plan in the past, but it is now because I'm not 16, right? So remember, it's not one size fit all. So do you think crypto has bottomed out? To me, it doesn't matter because I'm still going to put all of the money that I had in crypto back in, and I'm going to buy it during this accumulation stage. So what I'm looking for is another pull down, and that's when I'm going to go in and then continue to accumulate, which I believe we still have most of this year to accumulate. And I just think that these run-ups, they're actually normal if you study the entire Wyckoff, okay? So that's what I want to talk about with crypto. But I do believe in crypto, and I'm not one of these that thinks like Jamie Dimon that it is, a scam, a Ponzi scam. I don't. And watch what happens when it runs back up. Watch what happens. Keep your eye on JP Morgan Chase's bank. If they start to really, really invest in crypto, then again, we've fallen for the okie doke. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. I want you guys to watch two videos. One video I'm going to leave here in the box to your right. You can probably only see it on your computer. It doesn't come up on the cell phones, I understand. I'll try to leave a link. But then I also want you to watch Keenan Grace's video. I pointed it out because I want you guys to be well informed. If you're not sure, I want you to understand this. If you're just not sure and say, hey, Larry, all of this is conflicting. I see what you're trying to do, but I see crypto continue to run up, then you should just do the easiest thing to do right now is accumulate. Don't have FOMO. Just start buying and just take your money and space it out, I believe, for the next 9 months. And don't worry about it. Because if you accumulate during the accumulation stage, you will be fine, even if there's a big fall off. Even if Bitcoin falls back down to 16 or 14K, you will still be fine by not dumping all in. So it's the accumulation stage, then you should be accumulating, all right? That's what I wanted to let you guys know. And I'm doing my swing trading in crypto with Webull. That will be my top link. And then my bigger crypto investments, I'm doing Coinbase. I don't care about fees. I care about safety. I don't have fees. I opted before crypto fell to do the monthly, paid I believe it was $29 a month, and I have no crypto fees because of the amount of trading that I do. You do what's best for you. I'm not suggesting you do anything in any platform. I'm letting you know what I do. So I accumulate in Coinbase. It's still best, I believe, not to have all your crypto on these platforms, have them on storages. And then I do my swing trading with Webull because I know I'm going to take profits. And the biggest problem everybody had in crypto is not taking profits. All right. So let me know if any of this helped you. Remember to watch those two videos. We'll see you on the next one. Live, love, laugh, learn, and earn.